Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you Pictory AI versus InVideo AI Comparison. According to recent user reviews and comparisons, Pictory AI and InVideo are leading AI-empowered video creation tools, each offering unique strengths for content creators and marketers. While Pictory excels in simplicity and quick social media content generation, InVideo provides more advanced editing capabilities and a vast library of templates, making the choice between them dependent on individual needs and skill levels. Pictory AI is an innovative text-to-video generation tool that simplifies the video creation process for content creators, marketers, and educators. It allows users to quickly transform scripts, articles, or blog posts into engaging video content with just a few clicks. The platform leverages artificial intelligence to automatically select relevant video clips from a vast library of over 3 million royalty-free assets provided by Storyblocks. Pictory AI offers features such as high-quality AI voice narration, customizable subtitles, and the ability to resize content for various social media platforms. With its user-friendly interface and no requirement for video editing experience, Pictory AI caters to a wide range of professionals, including YouTubers, course creators, business professionals, and social media managers. While InVideo is an advanced AI-powered video creation platform that enables users to generate professional quality videos from text prompts in minutes. The tool offers a wide range of features, including AI-generated scripts, automatic stock footage selection, and AI voice cloning capabilities. Users can create videos in multiple languages and edit them using simple text commands, making it accessible for content creators, marketers, and business owners with varying levels of video editing experience. Feature comparisons tables are essential tools for helping users make informed decisions between different products or services. The following table highlights key features of Pictory AI and InVideo, two popular AI-powered video creation tools. Pictory AI excels in simplicity and quick content generation, making it ideal for social media content creators. InVideo offers more advanced features and a larger asset library, catering to users who require greater customization options. Both tools provide AI-powered video creation capabilities, but InVideo's additional features like AI-generated scripts and voice cloning give it an edge for more complex projects. When comparing Picture AI and InVideo, it's important to consider their respective strengths and weaknesses. The following table summarizes the key pros and cons of each tool based on users' feedback and feature analysis. Both tools offer unique advantages, with Pictory AI focusing on simplicity and quick content creation, while InVideo provides more advanced features and a larger asset library. The choice between them ultimately depends on the user's specific needs, skills level, and desired output. If you want to try Pictory AI or InVideo, you can find the link in the description below. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.